Throwback muna tayo mga kabayan. Naalala niyo pa ba ito noong 2014, Philippines versus Kazakhstan? Marahil isa ka rin sa nalito dahil ang panalo ay natalo. Dahil si Marquez Doughtet ng Gilas Philippines ay naggusto sa goal ng Kazakhstan. Dahil sa game po na ito, kailangan ng Gilas manalo sa Kazakhstan ng at least 11 points margin. At yan po ay para makapasok sila sa susunod na round. With only 18 seconds remaining, Gilas leads by 2 points. And the only way matupad ang mission nila is to post the game into overtime. That is why Doughtet shoot the ball into Kazakhstan goal with the intention of forcing in overtime. At baka nga naman sakaling manalo sila ng more than 11 points margin and qualify for the next round. But it was not allowed by the officials kasi nga naman wala ng sense of competition. So on the next possession, Gilas needs to foul Kazakhstan immediately and bring them into the foul line. So there the Kazakhstan inbound, foul right away. But Kazakhstan on the other hand will intentionally miss the free throw. Kaya, binato na lang, sadyang hindi na pinapasok. The second free throw, yun, binalibag na lang. So, yan po nangyari. The score ended at 87-85 in favor of Gilas. But since they need to win with at least 11 points, hindi pa rin sila nakapasok sa next round. Kaya nga, gulo, no? Panalo, pero talo. Anyway, thank you for watching. Thank you sa time. Please subscribe. Please press the notification bell para palagi po kayong updated sa aming mga latest videos. Salamat po. Sana palagi tayong panalo.